A. Clothes.
Hat, coat, jacket, scarf, gloves, shoes, trainers, boots, suit, socks, skirt, tie, t-shirt, watch, shirt, dress, ring, belt, sweater, jumper.
B. Plural words.
These words are always plural in English. They need a plural verb.
Trousers, jeans, shorts, tights, glasses, pyjamas, sunglasses.
My suit is new, but these trousers are old. Her jeans or shorts or tights are blue. You say a pair of trousers or shorts or glasses, etc. C. Verbs.
You wear clothes, but you carry things. You wear glasses. Naomi is wearing a long blue coat. She's carrying a suitcase and a handbag. You can also say, Naomi has got a blue coat on. You carry a bag and an umbrella. In the morning, you get dressed or put your clothes on. At night, you get undressed or you take your clothes off.